Here I have improved the ramp. I have the two 10-foot boards laying side by side with each other. I created a reinforcement here. This smaller one goes at the top. And I can move it forward or backwards to get these to line up evenly. This large one goes in the middle. Neighbor's dogs walking his dogs down the street. And this middle-sized one goes near the bottom. So that should take care of the flipping off the sides. So I'm going to try to run the truck down here by itself. One thing about the truck, I noticed when it had the excavator hooked up, the speed accelerated as it went down the ramp. I found I have to keep it in first gear to see if the motor will act as a brake to prevent that from happening. If it does not, I'm going to have to swap the motor out of this and put a quick run motor in that I use in my RC crawlers, and it allows me to set a drag brake so that the weight of the truck itself and the excavator will not cause it to run away when going downhill. So it's in first gear right now. Now it's in reverse and it's still moving forward. When carrying a heavy weight up and down this ramp, it's important for it to be in first gear. Otherwise, the strain of it will burn up a ESC, a motor controller. Also, when changing gears with this or going from forward to back, you have to stop, switch the gear, and then apply the gas again. So that was decent. I'm going to hook the trailer up and try it, and then after that I am going to put an excavator on it. I've got reverse applied to slow it down a little. It's probably not good for the electronics, but it's working. If I burn out the electronics, I'll just switch them. Get something more powerful. Not a big issue. They sell those locally at the hobby store, the motors. And I have extra ESCs. The grass is wet. Ugh. I was about to say the grass is wet and its grip might be compromised. That went well. I'm going to try a small excavator on here. Here we go with a small excavator. Of approximately 35 pounds. No. That was my steering error that drove it off the cliff. It'll be interesting to see how much grip it has because this grass is wet. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's full of dew. Still in first gear. All right, let me reposition the camera. Try to catch all of this action. Yeah, the tires are slipping already. I'm going to try to get it to the board. That's a no-go. Tires are too wet. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Can't complain about that. The tires will grip on the board, just not so good in the wet grass. I discovered later the wheels were spinning because I did not have the differentials locked up on the front or back wheels. Once I flipped the two switches on the transmitter, when I was doing this a little later, it rolled right through the grass with no problems, even though the grass was wet. I'm gonna try this one more time.